after a nice night. Supper on the stove. Firewood pile. Definitely an interesting night last night. Middle of December, December 14th, and it's pouring rain coming through the tent onto our cots. We kept the wood stove going, but my cot is soaking wet. See where the water came through. Interesting night nonetheless. Getting up and rising now. Enjoying the nice, it's actually a pretty mild morning, man. Very nice out. It was raining about 2 hours ago and soaked all our stuff inside. We're using the Canadian Arctic 5-man tent. Warm, but not the best tent to be using in the rain, but we weren't expecting rain last night, so. Just about time to start packing up and moving out. Campsite last year, but as you can see, she flooded. Quite the mess. It had a large pile of firewood, but cover with a tarp, but the friggin' creek is running right through the middle of it.